Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing this very cool box from Stationery Pal. Today I'll give a shout out to Stationery Pal. Stationery Pal is a wonderful stationery online shop. You can buy anything you want, almost anything. Shout out to them. You better go check out their online shop because it's super cool. They have everything you need for school, work, anything. So let's get back to the video. So today we will be unboxing the Stationery Pal gift box. You see, I ordered it. So it's going to be all about stationery that I like. But twist. If you go on Stationery Pal, you can get a box of whatever you like too. So let's get started. Let's open up the box. As you can see, I already opened the box, but I reorganized some of the stuff. Here's a thank you card, a 2010, and a happy everyday card, which there's like nothing inside because like it's a card that you can give to your friends too. So yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I just have a bit of a So as you can see, I also opened some stuff that I already opened. Like this one. It's like a mystery box to you guys, but it's actually not to me because I kind of took out the packaging because it broke. So yeah. Let's open it up. I already teared some parts because I was too excited. And you guys know that I'm a gigantic Harry Potter fan. So of course, I had to buy the Harry Potter Nemo pad. That if you like break all of these, like Nemo pad things, you will get a wonderful Harry Potter figure. It's a Harry Potter castle. So yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just a bit sick, okay, guys? So yeah. Let's get back to the video. Oh god. This keeps on happening to me, guys. I keep on putting it in the wrong side of the box. Okay. And then we can close it. I said now that we can close it. Gosh, this is hard to close. Gosh, I really have to look into this. Oh my god. Okay, finally I got it. Finally. Now, let's open this eraser. Over here. And it also has a refill, so that's good. Let's open it because I'm super excited. Whoa. It's finally here. And over here, it's like very bendable, so that's good. So over here, you see this thing? If you put it down, a piece of eraser will come. And the smallest piece that you can get is, oh my god, I can't put it back up. The smallest piece that you can get is this piece. And it's great because it locks itself. So yeah. See, if I push as hard as I can, yeah, I thought that it will lock itself, but no. Because okay, Stationery Pal, okay. lock itself if it's like this much, okay? This much. It will only lock itself if it's this much, okay guys? So don't get mad at me. Please don't. Please don't, okay, please. Oh god. God, I forgot how hard it is. I'm gonna take off my robe right here. Oh my god, I'm stuck out. Okay, I'm not stuck. I'm just... Okay, here is a cute strawberry cutter. I know I'm underage to be using this sharp of a cutter, but I've used it before, so that's good. I've been training. So yeah, okay? Please don't get mad at me. Okay, it's a cutter that I already opened because I was it was too cute, so I had to open it, okay? Sorry. Iridescent masking tape. Iridescent masking tape. Like, oh my god. Wait, how do I start it? Oh my god. Gosh, finally, found it. And it's white. It's so cool. Like, so I'm gonna put this at the side over here with the others. Pink. And yeah, so it works like this. And I'm gonna put it to the side. Cinnamon roll! This one I'm gonna give to Jasmine and Kaylin. So yeah, because like Jasmine and Kaylin are super cool. You better check out their channel. It's super cool. Trust me. Their videos slay. Ready Racers! Ready Racers! It says over here, toast bread eraser. The smell of butter. And wait, I really want to open it, so I'm gonna, because I want to smell the butter, because I love butter. Like, who doesn't like butter? Emma Watson likes butter. Hermione Granger likes butter. Butter is my idol. I mean, but not really, but it's like my favorite thing. One time I ate like this much butter because I just wanted to get a spoon. Yeah, I love butter. I love it. Slays. How do I open this thing? Oh right, I twist it. Does it smell like butter yet? Oh my god. It smells like butter and toast! The smell of butter. I'm gonna take one out because I want to, and it's too cute. Gosh, I can't take it out. Gosh, I can't take it. It's so cute. It doesn't really smell anything, like anything. I think it's because I'm sick. I mean, it kind of smells like butter. I don't know how, but like, I don't, like, maybe when I'm not sick, I can actually smell it. So I'm gonna put it back, because like, I don't want the butter. I don't want the bread to be wasted. See what I did there? That's a very bad joke. Very bad joke. Like, that wasn't even a joke, girl. Like, Jamie, why would you make a joke that's not even funny? Please don't laugh at me. Please don't. Okay, I'm gonna twist it. and put it over to the side. Oh gosh, please don't fall, okay? Please, strawberry cookies. Ooh, it's getting hot. I might turn on the aircon, which I will. Gosh. Okay, good. Better. And a clip. A clip. A clip. I gotta open it. I'm gonna test it out on this thing. I think you just open the white part. Like, I don't really know because like I haven't seen many videos about this. So please don't get mad at me. Oh gosh! Wait. Oh my god, this is so hard. Is it like? Oh my god, this is so hard to take out. Stationary pal fans? Please don't get mad at me. Police. Gosh, this is so hard to take out. Yeah, and then it goes like this. It's kind of noisy over there. So, like, please don't mind. Okay, please. It's kind of noisy, okay? So, I am going to put this over in here, and then I think it locks. I don't know, guys. I don't think this even locks. Yeah, that's how you take it out. But then, how do you put it back? How? And then I think this makes it lock. I mean, it's a good clip, but, like, it's not very good. Wait, I just have to, like, close the call. Because, like, I'm making a YouTube video. So, yeah. This works. I would give it a, like, 6 out of 10. There it goes. Wait, I forgot to test it out on this actual paper. Oh. Ooh. Okay, I'll take it out. See, I took it out. Put it in here and then clip it. It's actually a pretty good clip. Like, girl, it's good. It's good. It's good. So yeah. And now I have this purple graphic LED. Like, ah! I'm gonna open it to see how it looks like. You guys, you see, normal LED, like, thingies only go up to here, right? It goes up to here. Amazing! Or is it just me that I live in Hong Kong? But this is from Japan. Lavender. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks bluish, but if you actually buy it, it's pretty good. Like, it's pretty good. So yeah, I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to put it back. Put it on the side. Pink. The same thing, but pink. You know how it would look like, girlies? It would look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gosh, I can't put it. I also have this rainbow. gosh, this is so hard. Ow! Don't like me. Green, red. Oh, I found blue. So there's pink, red, orange, dark green, light green, and purple and light purple. So those are all the colors. And all of them are all erasables. So that's good. The same thing, but blue. Gotta check it out. Ow! Excuse me. But sadly, they are not different shades of blue. It's okay, Stationary Pal. I'm still pretty impressed. I meant to say impressed, but then I said unimpressed. So sorry. Oh gosh. Erasers. I'm gonna take them out because they're too cute. Gosh, this is hard. Gosh, how hard is it to open this thing? Okay, I want to open it now. Okay, so let's see if it's detachable. It's detachable. This reminds me of my childhood. If this ruins your childhood, I'm sorry. And also the same thing with these. Since you already know like what the cupcake ones look like, I'm not gonna open those, so yeah. Triangle. Like a triangle. In a triangle. In a triangle. Oh my god, this is so cute. And it's pink with white. It's so good. Oh, so good. If I open it, yeah, I can open it. It's okay. If you see, if I don't open it, there will still be like some erasers in the corners, like over here. If I open it, the whites will appear. So yeah. Yep. Put it on the side. This rabbit erasable stamp. Cool. Glue pen. I gotta get some paper, girl. Okay, I'm gonna use this piece because it's foldable, so yeah. Ooh, but I don't want to rip it, it's so cute. Oh gosh, this is so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, I could use some of the left over this thing. Yeah, I could use it. Open it up. You see, it is not red, it is pink. It's a pink glue pen. A pink glue pen. I'm gonna take the red stopper thing out so that I can actually use it. It might be a bit hard to actually use it because like the red stopper thing is kind of hard to take out because you kind of have to use your nails and get it out. So yeah. And over here I'm gonna draw with the glue pen. Oh my god, it's actually gluing with glues. But it made the cardboard a bit wet. But I'm still gonna trust it. I accidentally put some and it's very good, okay? Just doesn't work with cardboard. I don't know why. I'm gonna use it again. Okay. Can't use it. Okay. Oh. Okay, and I'm gonna stick it. Hold it, I guess. You have to hold it for a pretty long time. So, yeah. Guys, don't get mad at me, okay? But this still works pretty good, okay? Gosh, Kenny. Okay, and what I'm the most excited for, it's not just any normal pen. Voila. Gosh. Voila. 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 I'm gonna take it out, like take the red stopper thing out. Ooh, this time the red stopper thing wasn't too hard to use. Okay, so it's black. Okay. So I'm gonna turn the TV off because it's getting too annoying. Harry Potter eraser. Go. I'm gonna use it on this pencil. Oh no, I made a mistake. Oh gosh. Erase, erase, erase. Oh no, where should I put the dust? Hola. Magnets. Gosh. Pick up the dust, magnets. And you can see there are eraser dust things. So yeah, and then you can always close it back to use again. And I do clean it daily, not daily, like weekly, so that's good. And this, which I will also give to Justin and Caitlin, but first I have to know what ink is it, okay? Sorry, Justin and Caitlin, I hope you don't mind. And it's black. Gosh. This is gonna stain my hands for weeks. This are 2 stickers that I clamped with this Kuromi clamp that I'm gonna give to Caitlin. I'm gonna keep this one to myself, but I'm gonna open it right now with you guys. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, okay, finally. Wait. It comes with an eraser, a free one. Thank you, Stationery Pal. Thank you. Yeah, over here you can see that it's detachable. And there's a free eraser. So yeah, and there's this Stationery Pal Turn 6 card. This I'm not gonna open because it's for Caitlin. And this I'm not gonna open because it's for Justin. This Doraemon kitty pen that I'm gonna open with you guys. Hopefully it's not black because I don't want to stain my hands ever again. Not ever. Okay. Gosh.
What?
This is so hard to open. Sorry, but like my dad kind of interrupted the video, but like that's okay. That's okay. Hey. I don't know if this is a glue pen. I just used glue on my thumb. Great. Harry Potter ruler. I'm not gonna open it because I only want to open it when I want to use it. So yeah, put it to the side. By the way, this is going to be a pain in the butt to tidy up. So wish me luck.
Good luck.
I also have. Hey! And I also have these two stickers, which are super cute. This one is bunnies, and this one is a bear. So yeah, this one's purple, this one's brown. So yeah, that's the end of the. Oh my God, no, my stickers! So yeah, that's the end of my haul. And if you wanna do anything else, and like, what should I do for my next video? I have a sleepover with Jocelyn and Kaylin tomorrow. So we can kind of make a video about that. So bye guys, see you in the next video. Remember to comment down what you want me to do for my next video.